welcome to a very special edition of Magic Mondays. Many people ask me where I get my inspiration for my magic. As with any other artist, I gain my inspiration from a wide variety of sources. This week, I've prepared something extra special. Recently, I was deeply moved by the performance of one of the greatest artists of our time, Yoko Ono, when she performed her tribute to Katy Perry's song Fireworks. So this week's Magic Mondays is my tribute to Yoko's tribute of the Katy Perry song Fireworks. I hope you enjoy it. That was beautiful.